Hi guys, today I got a fidget spinner. Yes, I was always wanting one since they first came out. How I knew they came out is this. I subscribed to Guava Juice and hit the bell. Every time he uploads a video, it tells me stuff. And he made a video, Fidget Toys You Must Try. And I seen the fidget spinner, which was the best out of all, because I have tried fidget spinners before, and fidget spinners are just the best. And you might want to hear this noise. Oh no, the speakers is on this thing. And it says the same new. It's just the same old tablet, but it's not on the sides like you would see on an iPod. And speaking of iPod, there. And I took the rubber off it for some reason. It's because when you're recording with this case, this thingy is blocking the view. Fidget spinners. And now, never do this unless they're over the age of 8, which is how old I am. I'm soon turning 9 in September. Okay, when you want to make beat drop with a fidget spinner. Oh, my glasses all scratched up. Fidget spinners. I might want to wash this and then watch it. I just said washed. Yeah. And you don't have to spin it like this. Spin it like this. Yeah. And you're wondering, why did you barely talk then? Fidget spinners can shut you up. It's like when you spin a fidget spinner, it says the words, shut up. It calms you down. Like if you have an anger issue, you can have a fidget spinner and spin it and then look into it and you're calmed down. I was thinking fidget spinners weren't made in Canada, but in fact they are. I don't know what I'm staring at for some reason, but Wait, if there was a carnival ride called the Fidget Spinner, I'd be amazed. It'd be like this. Fidget. Then it stops and it's like, okay folks, we're going faster. And it spins really, really fast. Then it spins like this. And then stops. And then goes the other way. Stops. And then it just does this. Well, seems like I'll be ending the video shortly. Here's something, fun fact, well not really fun. If you're taking a poop and you have a fidget toy with you at all times and it can't come out, just keep spinning it, or whatever fidget toy, just keep playing with it, and it'll make your poop come out faster. Wait, when you want to curl your hair up, yeah. Okay. Oh. Ow! That hurts the neck. If you have a fidget spinner, if you don't have a fidget spinner, yeah. If you don't think life is good with a fidget spinner, yeah, it's not good. But we are ending the video here shortly. She only turned around alligator. What video should I make next? Tell me in the comments section below if what video I should make. It can be a gameplay, it could be a reacting, it could be another MSM, or it could be a stuffy or creation, which I never done. Neither with reacting. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Fidget spinner.